Welcome to Linux Cal. Today we are going to see how to use GoTo and GoToIf application on Asterisk on Oracle Linux 10.3. GoTo these applications allow you to jump to another extension, another context or another priority. The GoToIf application, a empty strings and the number 0 evaluated as false. Anything else is evaluated as true. GoToIf is the conditional goto command. Go to label 1 if the condition is true or to the next step, or label 2 if defined is the condition is false. First I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next I am going to check the status of Asterisk by using the following command. The Asterisk service is running and active. Next I am going to move to the Asterisk directory by using the following command. Now edit the extension.conf file by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Now log into the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Once reload the dial plan by using the following command. Now try to make call. Now I make call from 168 to 167. Now the call is coming. Again, now exit from the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Again, edit the extension.conf file to use GoTo application with the alternative priority by using the following command. Here I am changing priority number 5 to 4. Now save and exit from the file. Again, log into the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Once reload the dial plan by using the following command. Now make call from 167 to 168. Now the call is coming. GoTo application is working fine. Again, exit from the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Again, edit the extension.conf file to use the GoToIf application by using the following command. Remove all the content. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Now again log into the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Once reload the dial plan by using the following command. Now try to make call from 167 to 168. Repeatedly 5 times hello coming. After that call is coming. GoToIf application also working fine. This is a process to use GoTo and GoToIf application on Asterisk on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.